Good morning student, how are you? I hope you all are fine and practicing all the previous exercises of this chapter. The chapter which is going is multiplication and I am trying to complete this lesson through the video. Today I want to just complete it. So come to the next exercise, which is exercise 9. Beta, exercise 9 is based on the word problem. So you can easily understand in class 1 you have learned how to solve the word problems in any mathematics chapter. So in word problem you have been given some language problem and you have to find what we are going to do, means multiplication or division or addition or subtraction. So you have to find this after reading the question. So let's start. The question 1 is, a jar contains 9 laddus. How many laddus are there in a 7th jar? Beta, jar means a box of glass or fiber in which we kept or put some any object, any eating food or anything. So jar is like that. So question is given, a jar contains 9 laddus, means there is a single one jar and it contains 9 laddus. So in a one jar there are 9 laddus. Question is asking how many laddus are there in 7 jars. How many laddus are there in 7 jar? Asking about 7 jar means 1 is given, many is asking. So this is the basic concept of multiplication. In multiplication, one thing is given or value of one object is given and you are asking for the many objects. So here you can easily understand 9 laddus for one jar is given and asking about how many laddus are there in 7 jars. So you can easily solve it. So you, after reading the question, you just solve the question, but there's a you can say solution of the word problem based on the statement. Okay, so it is necessary to write the statement after reading the question of word problem. So I am going to solve. You just understand how can we solve the question of word problem. So a jar contains 9 laddus. So first line statement is laddus in one jar. Laddus in one jar. It is given, beta na. So first line is for the given statement. Laddus in one jar is 9. And asking, second line is asking the question, how many laddus are there in 7 jars? So asking laddus in 7 jars. 1 is given, many is asking. So process will be 9 multiplied by 7. So 9 7 jar. You can easily tell the answer of 9 7 jar because you have learned the table also. 63. So answer is 63. This is completed according to the exercise 9. So you can see the part of this exercise. Now come to the next part, which is based on the exercise 10. And in exercise 10, beta, we are going to multiply, but what is a special multiplication in this exercise is, here we have completed 1 digit 2 digit multiplication, but now we are going to solve the multiplication of 3 digit only, but the process of multiplication is same, it is not changed. But the one part is remembering, here the value of 1's tens is given in previous questions, but now in this question 100 place value is also given and you have to multiply 1's, 10's, 100 in all 3 numbers. So let's start. Just read the table 2 2 ja. First 1, then go to the 10, then go to the 100. So come 1's place. So 2 2 ja 4. Now come to the 2 3 jar. 2 3 jar 6. Now come to the 3 4 jar. Sorry, 2 2 jar 4, 2 3 jar 6 and 2 4 jar 8. The answer is 864 when we multiply 432 into the with the number of 2s. Answer is 864. There is no any carry, so the solution of this question is very quite simple. There is no any extra effort. You can easily solve. Only the concerning part is you have to multiply here 100th place also. So I hope this question is you can easily understand. Now come to the further exercise. Now student, come to the next question. In exercise 10, there is only one single word problem is given to you, and I am going to solve it for you because I have solved 2 word problems of this chapter, and you have many and many questions from book or in any study material, and you can solve in your any rough copy at your home. So question is, a boat can carry 132 people. How many people can be carried in a 2 such boat? Okay, boat, one single boat is given, and carry means to take from one place to another place. Boat is carrying people from one place to another place, but how many people? 132 people. Okay, it is question is telling about the only one boat carry 132 people, but the question is asking how many people can be carried in 2 such boat. Okay, in 2 such boat means question is asking about 2 boat, one is given, 2 is asking. So you can say easily this is the process of multiplication. So we are going to solve the question. So question is, the first statement is given, a boat can carry 132 means people in a first boat. In a first boat, first you mean say one boat. In one boat people are 132. But asking about people in 2 boats. So process is multiplication here. There is no any doubt. So 132 multiply by 2, because 2 is question is asking about the 2 boats, so you have to multiply it with 2. So after doing this, the solution is very easy. You have to multiply only. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, and 2 1 ja 2. So 132 is multiplied by 2. Answer is 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2. 264 pupil. Okay, I hope both exercises 9 and 10, these 2 exercises are completed, and after these exercises chapter multiplication is also completed. Now beta, what you have to do, you have to do one thing only, just practice each and every question or problem of your book, and you can solve it easily, because each type of questions have been completed through the video in the written work also. So after that we are going to solve some practice sets also. So till the time you just practice each and every question, and beta subscribe my channel, that's why you can get the first from the starting time, you just get my notification from the YouTube channel. And for till the time beta, thank you.